Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. As we continue on our journey to set up a successful Shopify store, one of the pivotal aspects we'll delve into is configuring payment options. This is a crucial step to ensure a seamless shopping experience for your customers, and I am here to guide you through the process. Now, let us begin by navigating to the lower left-hand section of your Shopify dashboard, where you will find the General Settings tab. Under Store Details, click on Edit to input essential information, starting with your store's name. While you are at it, pay close attention to other critical details such as your email, business address, store currency, and units. Accuracy here is a key, so take your time to ensure everything is correct. Once you have reviewed and confirmed the information, click on Save. Now, let's dive deeper into a vital aspect of your Shopify setup: payment providers. This step is nothing short of essential as it determines how your customers can complete transactions on your store. Our top recommendation is to opt for Shopify Payments, known for its reliability and ease of use. To initiate the setup process, click on Complete Account Setup. You may also need to complete the setup again if you haven't linked your PayPal account. This is an important step in ensuring your funds reach your bank account seamlessly. Once you have successfully completed the setup, your customers will enjoy a variety of payment options, including credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. It is worth noting that by default, PayPal checkout is activated for your store, offering an additional payment avenue for your customers. Moving on to another crucial area, let us tackle shipping and delivery. Under the shipping and delivery section, click on Create New File to manage the rates you intend to charge for shipping your products to customers. Shopify provides default shipping rates for the United States and international shipping. Shipping zones allow you to define specific regions for shipping, such as the United States, Canada, or even the rest of the world. For each zone, you can specify shipping rates based on various factors such as weight, item quantity, or price. Taxes can be a bit complicated because they depend on where you are and who you sell to. I can't give you the exact steps because tax rules vary. So, first, research the tax laws that apply to your location and any other places you sell to, like different countries or states. Once you know the rules, go to your Shopify settings, usually under Taxes and Duties, and set up the tax rates based on what you have learned. Remember, taxes are important, and not following the rules can lead to problems. So, take your time, stay updated on any changes, and if it gets too confusing, consider getting help from a tax professional who knows the ins and outs of your specific situation. Lastly, but certainly not the least, let us elevate your store's professionalism by addressing your domain. Currently, your store resides under a myshopify.com domain, which lacks the professional touch you'd want for your brand. To rectify this, you have two options. If you already own a custom domain, click on Connect Existing Domain. However, if you don't have one, you can effortlessly purchase a new domain directly through Shopify. Click on Buy New Domain, select your preferred domain name, make the purchase, and watch as it seamlessly links to your Shopify store. With this step completed, your online presence takes on a more polished appearance. Before you embark on the exciting journey of launching your store and attracting visitors, remember to thoroughly test it. Head to the online store section and click on the eye icon to preview your store. Take the time to explore every page, ensuring that all elements function flawlessly. Test the checkout process using all payment methods you have configured and verify that the currency settings are accurate. Rigorous testings now can help you avoid potentially costly issues once you begin promoting your store. Well done on making significant progress in setting up your Shopify store. I hope you have found this video to be a valuable resource. If you are hungry for additional tips and tutorials to enhance your e-commerce journey, be sure to click the subscribe button. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.